What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on post notification, and make sure to hit the like button. Guys, in today's content I'm going to be reacting to Hyang versus Morisette's videos, Fly Like a Bird. Guys, you know how we do it here. When we do a reaction video like this, it's not for unhealthy rivalry or competition based kind of competition, challenge or music versus. All we do is just to show love, to appreciate good music from these two legendary singers. So that's basically what we do. So guys, if you're a lover of good music and you have love within you, let's do this. So without further ado, let's dive right down to the video. That was a very awesome reaction from Morisette, Fly Like a Bird, and that was really cool, and I enjoyed it. So let's see Hyang's version. Let's see Hyang, what she's doing, what she's gonna do. So Hyang didn't get to have a stage performance, like a huge stage performance. I guess her part was freestyle, so it wasn't really a full stage performance. And however, I give it up to Morisette. She actually a good singer, and I can't make anything out of this based on the fact that Hyang wasn't on a huge stage. Hers was just a freestyle, and so it's basically just Morisette having the whole show to herself and all. So this video is even more of Morisette than even Hyang, and I feel bad, but I didn't get to hear Hyang very well, and I hope I have to get some other reactions of Hyang and then enjoy cool music from her. So guys, if you love this content, please subscribe, turn on post notification, make sure to share and like this video. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one.